Did a father use his 6-year-old son as an alibi for murder? The Selonia Reed case. Imagine a child's world shattered, innocence lost in the face of unimaginable horror. This is the story of Selonia Reed, a young woman whose life was brutally cut short, and the son who spent decades grappling with the devastating truth. Was his father a loving protector, or a cold-blooded killer hiding behind his son's innocent alibi? Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. On a fateful day in 1987, Selonia Reed, a vibrant 26-year-old, was discovered murdered in her car in Hammond, Louisiana. The scene was gruesome. Her body lay lifeless in her blue Chevy Sprint, a mere mile and a half from the family home. The details were chilling. Selonia had been bludgeoned, subjected to multiple stab wounds, and sexually assaulted. The brutality of the crime sent shockwaves through the community. Reginald Reed Sr., Selonia's husband, reported her missing shortly before the grim discovery. His initial story painted a picture of Selonia heading out for a night with a girlfriend, but something didn't add up. The supposed girlfriend vehemently denied having any plans with Selonia that night. This discrepancy immediately cast a shadow of suspicion on Reginald Reed Sr. Whispers of a troubled marriage began to surface. Selonia had confided in relatives about Reginald's alleged physical abuse and her growing desire for a divorce. These revelations painted a darker picture of their relationship. The motive seemed to be there. Reginald Sr. quickly became a prime suspect in the investigation, but solid evidence remained elusive. At the heart of this tragic story lies Reggie, Selonia's 6-year-old son. In the immediate aftermath of his mother's death, Reggie was questioned by police, his father present by his side. Unbeknownst to him, Reggie provided a crucial alibi for his father. He recounted spending the evening playing video games and sleeping on the same sofa bed with his dad. Innocently, Reggie shielded his father from immediate suspicion. His words, spoken with the naivety of a child, became a cornerstone of the initial investigation. Years later, Reggie would confront the chilling reality of that interview. The emotional toll was immense. Watching the footage, he broke down, crying for his mommy and daddy. The pain etched on his face was unbearable. As journalist Jerrica Duncan observed, the situation was unimaginable for a 6-year-old. 25 years passed, and the case remained cold, a haunting reminder of unanswered questions. Then, in 2012, a determined Texas Ranger decided to breathe new life into the investigation. Reggie, now 31, received the shocking news. His father was once again the prime suspect. The revelation sent his world spiraling. His initial reaction was disbelief. How could the man he knew as a loving father be capable of such a heinous act? Lieutenant Barry Ward of the Louisiana State Police meticulously re-examined the evidence, uncovering new leads that had been previously overlooked. The investigation gained momentum. The breakthrough came when Reginald Reed Sr. and an alleged accomplice, Jimmy Ray Barnes, were indicted for second-degree murder. The wheels of justice began to turn once more. The trial was a tense and emotional affair. Jimmy Ray Barnes, facing his own legal troubles, agreed to testify against Reginald Sr. in exchange for a reduced sentence. Barnes's testimony was damning. He claimed to have witnessed Reginald Sr. at the crime scene with Selonia's lifeless body. The courtroom hung on every word. In November 2022, after years of uncertainty, the jury delivered its verdict. Reginald Reed Sr. was found guilty of second-degree murder. A collective gasp filled the room. Reginald Reed Sr. was sentenced to life in prison, a punishment that seemed to bring closure to some, but only deepened the internal conflict for others. The prosecution presented a chilling theory of the crime. They argued that Reginald Sr. murdered Selonia in their bedroom while Reggie slept soundly nearby. He then allegedly placed her body in her car and drove it to the location where it was ultimately discovered. The calculated nature of the crime was deeply disturbing. Despite his father's conviction, Reggie continues to grapple with doubt and uncertainty. He is torn between seeking justice for his mother and the enduring love he holds for his father. "I want justice," Reggie confessed, "but I didn't think justice was going to come at the price of my dad going to prison for life." His words echo the agonizing dilemma he faces. "Do I think my dad had some involvement? Maybe. I don't know, though," Reggie admitted, his voice filled with anguish. The weight of the unknown is a heavy burden to bear. He struggles to reconcile the loving father he knew with the monstrous act he was convicted of committing. The cognitive dissonance is palpable. Reggie cherishes the memories of his father's love, support, and the upbringing he provided. These memories make it even harder to accept the possibility of his guilt. "I can't just turn a page and just look at my father as a complete monster," Reggie concluded, his voice filled with emotion. The bond between father and son, even under these circumstances, remains unbroken. Reggie poured his heart and soul into a memoir about his experiences, aptly titled, "The Day My Mother Never Came Home." It's a testament to his resilience and his unwavering search for truth. This case leaves us with profound questions about justice, family, and the enduring power of love and forgiveness. Can a son ever truly reconcile with the possibility that his father committed such a heinous crime? The answer, it seems, lies within the depths of Reggie's own heart. If you found this story compelling, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more true crime analysis. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think really happened that night? And if you or someone you know has been affected by a similar tragedy, resources are available. Don't hesitate to seek help.